215. 2001 Bluebird 3800. This is a good old bus. I'm surprised. This is our oldest bus that's still in school services. It is made in, it just says 02, but it's really a 2001 according to the inventory sheet. But yeah, first time stepping aboard one of these Bluebirds in a while. Its sister 214 is a family resource bus now, and this bus has a very low mileage. It only has 202,989 miles, even though this bus has never been used this school year. Okay, so, yep. There's 222, 2002. Anyway, there you have it, 215.